Now let's see how to work with numbers and bullets in Microsoft Word. To do this, I'll insert a new document, name it as numbers and bullets. Press enter, open it. Now let's write some names. So I have couple of names here. Now I want to number these names. I want to put a number with all of these names. So I'll just select the whole data, go to Home tab, and under the Home tab in the paragraph section, I can see bullets and numbers. Let's say if I click on bullets, it will just place a bullet besides each name. But if I convert it to number, it will put a number besides each name. And the benefit of that is, if I continue to write names, just press enter and you will automatically get the next number where I can write any name. Now for example, if I accidentally pressed enter and after that I realized that I don't have any further name, so just press backspace and then press backspace and backspace again and come on this tab. Just simply press backspace until you come on the earlier name, or otherwise just press enter. And or otherwise, if you don't want to write the name and you want to move to the next section to write a new paragraph or something like that, the other option is of removing the number is just press enter again. So it will be like a normal paragraph. Now if I want to change a little format of that, for example, after the number I want the bracket, curling bracket, not this. Now for example, if I want to make little changes in the numbering format, I want the numbering format, but after 1 or any number, instead of dot, it should show a round bracket. So what I'll do is I'll just select complete data, and under the numbering options you have multiple options to choose from. You can either change it to ABC or this Roman style. You can change it to any style. So let's change it to round brackets. And if you want to change the color of it as well, you have multiple options to choose from. For example, let's define new number format, and under the new format you have the option to select any format. If you notice, in the starting we saw only until these styles, but here we have couple of more styles as well. You can mention it 1 2 3, first, second, third. You can mention it like this. Let's try this one. So see, you can change however you want it to. Similarly, if I want to customize the formatting of it, I can do that. I can just change the color of it, press OK and OK. Now you can see that the color has changed. Just press Ctrl Z to move to the original one. Now let's say that I want to start this numbering from 7 instead of 1. Just select the whole data and go under numbering. Press the drop down and just select the whole data. Make sure any extra portion is not selected, because if any extra portion is selected, this option will not appear. I have to use this option. I'll just select exact data and then go to set numbering value. Now the numbers start from 1. If I change it to 7 and press OK, you can notice that it starts with 7 and ends with 14. Let's press undo to move to the original one. Now similarly, I have multiple options besides numbers and bullets. I have tick option, I have arrows option. You can change to any bullet point you want. And similarly, to customize the size or font of it, you can just select that and then define the new bullet so that you can customize it for font and color or writing style. So this is in short you can deal with bullets and numbers.